Hello, I'm Amanda from Kid Museum, and this video is about using arcs to make cool designs in turtle art. The arc block is one of my favorite things to experiment with in turtle art. Every time I play with it, I end up creating something totally different and amazing. So let's get started. An arc is a piece of a circle. When we tell the turtle to draw an arc, we can change the arc in two ways. The angle is how much of the circle the turtle will draw. A full circle is 360 degrees. So if I put 360 here, the turtle will draw a full circle. If I put any less than that, the turtle won't make it all the way around. The second number here is the radius, and that determines how big the circle will be. The bigger the number here, the larger the circle the turtle will draw. For a tiny circle, I need to put a small number here. Where arcs get really cool is when you start combining them with other blocks and changing things around a bit. So you could try adding some straight lines into your arc and see how that goes. Then maybe add in some turns. Repeats are really helpful here as well. So let's take a look at this square code from the previous video. Maybe I'll try adding an arc here into this repeat and see what happens. I'm also going to change the color of the arc so that it's different from the lines, and you can see the difference between the arc and the lines. All right, so we got a little fan shape here. Maybe now I'll change one of these numbers. I'll change the arc to make the angle smaller. So the turtle will draw a smaller section of the circle each time. It looks like I need to add more repeats to get all the way around the circle. If I put 12 here, let's see, I get a really cool flower shape. I could also try putting the forever block here to see what happens and what it looks like if the turtle goes forever. When you're working with arcs, it can be really fun just to play around, but there's actually some pretty complicated math going on. The angles that you choose in your turns and arcs will determine the number of repeats you need to get back to where you started. And the radius and the lengths of the forwards and backwards blocks that you choose will determine how large your design is. Thanks for watching. I hope you have fun experimenting with arcs in turtle art. Check out our next video to learn about how to use the random block.